If you want to connect SurveyMonkey with Google Sheets, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can start sending survey data into a spreadsheet and keep everything organized in one place. This is a great setup if you collect leads, feedback, registrations, or customer responses and want an easier way to review and manage the results. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, look to the top right corner and click on your profile. This is where you can access your account settings and connected tools. From the menu, select Apps and Integrations. This section is where SurveyMonkey lists all of the apps you can connect to extend the platform's functionality. Now look for Google Sheets and click on it. Google Sheets is the integration that will let you send your survey responses into a spreadsheet so you can sort, filter, and analyze the data more easily. On the Google Sheets integration page, click Install. This starts the setup process and prepares SurveyMonkey to connect with your Google account. If you see another install button or confirmation step, click Install again to continue. SurveyMonkey may now ask you to proceed through a permission screen, so click Continue when prompted. This is an important step because it allows the integration to link SurveyMonkey with your Google Sheets account securely. You may need to click Continue one more time depending on the setup flow. Make sure you review any permissions carefully before approving them, especially if you're using this for work or client data. Once the connection is approved, SurveyMonkey and Google Sheets will be linked, and you'll be able to choose how your response data should be sent or synced. From here, you can start using the integration with your surveys and begin organizing responses automatically inside Google Sheets. That means less manual copying, fewer mistakes, and much faster reporting. If you're managing multiple surveys, this is especially useful because it keeps all your response data in one easy-to-access place. You can also share the sheet with teammates, create charts, and build workflows around the data much more efficiently. And that's it. You've now connected SurveyMonkey with Google Sheets. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.